DMG stands for Disk Image for Mac. Windows has no idea what to do with this file natively. You need tools like TransMac or 7-Zip to peek inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's extract the files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a DMG file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. The technical specification confirms the DMG is a specific instance of a disk image file. This file strictly adheres to the macOS X disk image file specification. The DMG disk image file is the standard disk image format used by Apple's macOS. It functions as a complete, compressed, and sometimes encrypted virtual disk that contains applications and installers for macOS software. Developed by Apple, the format is proprietary and structural. Its design allows the file to be mounted as a virtual volume on macOS. It is generally inaccessible on Windows, without a specialized extractor, like 7-Zip, and cannot be executed. The essential opener for the DMG structure is 7-Zip developed by Igor Pavlov. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows may display limited properties, but mounting the image fully requires disk-related utilities. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your DMG file and click Open With. If 7-Zip is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If the DMG file is still giving you trouble, relax. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the DMG file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, use macOS Disk Utility. On a Mac, use Disk Utility to mount the file. If it fails, use the First Aid feature to attempt to repair the image structure. Next, use TransMac 7-Zip on Windows. On Windows, use third-party software like TransMac or a robust archive utility like 7-Zip to extract the contents from the .dmg file. Finally, convert to ISO. If mounting fails on Windows, use a conversion tool like DMG to ISO to convert the file to a standard ISO format, which Windows can natively mount. If resource-limited software proved insufficient, the DMG file now requires a final authorized option. The specialized tool is the essential next step to try. When troubleshooting fails, FileMagick steps in. Its unique ability to instantly render a preview of the DMG file, even with archive errors, makes it essential. Find the tool at filemagick.com. Thumbs up and subscribe. That's all I ask. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time today.